Hey y'all, welcome back to Kim's Happy Day Cakes. I'm Kim, and guess what? It's almost Halloween, and you know what that means. Parties, lots of gatherings, school get-togethers, fall festivals. It's our favorite time of the year. We absolutely love Halloween. We love putting things together for our kids and for their schools. So I'm going to share with you a video that we did last year for Halloween on my family's channel. They're super fun, super simple, easy to put together cupcakes that will wow everyone, and seriously every kid will love these cupcakes. They're so much fun. And if you haven't already subscribed, please stop and click that button so you don't miss any of my tips, tricks, and tutorials. So enjoy that video. Okay, so cupcake number 1. We are gonna do a monster cupcake. I'm really excited about this. So what you'll need is any color frosting that you want, and obviously a cupcake, and these little things. I love these things. You can go to any store that sells like Walmart, Hobby Lobby. They're little eyeball sprinkle things. So let's get started. Okay, monster cupcake. The tip you will need for this one is the open star, the large open star. That is the 1M. You just wanna use that tip to go all the way around. You can make them as tall as you want. Okay, and there is the monster fur, or scales, or whatever you want to call it. Then you get these little eyeballs, and you can put them wherever you want. Another eyeball. And there is an easy peasy monster cupcake. Cupcake number 2. We're gonna do the Mummy Cupcake. I'm really excited for this one. I always look forward to making these every Halloween. So for starters, you'll need obviously the cupcake, white frosting, and as I mentioned before, the eyeball sprinkles. Or you can find these at any like Walmart or Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and they come in several sizes. So there's the little eyeballs, or not so little eyeballs. Let's get started. And the tip I'm using for this one is the Wilton 104. It's the petal. You can really use any flattened tip. So let's get started. So first you want to glue the eyeballs with frosting to the cupcake, like so. And then put it on your cupcake, like so. And now you make the lines, and they can be random because you know they're supposed to look like the bandages. And there you have a mummy. I know my kids will just look forward to having these for Halloween because they're both creepy and cute. Okay, cupcake number 3. We are doing the jack-o'-lantern. I'm really excited for this one. I'm excited for all of them. I love to do cupcakes. So you're gonna hear that with every single one of these. I'm so excited. Okay, obviously, cupcake. Orange frosting with the number 1M tip. And I got these little things. These are the Sour Punch bites. I thought these would be perfect instead of having to buy the straws and cutting them into little pieces. These turned out awesome. These are gonna be the stems for the pumpkins, the jack-o'-lanterns. I try to make pretty much everything on my cupcake edible. To make the jack-o'-lantern eyes and whatever face that you want, I just got the Laffy Taffy banana, and we're gonna roll it out and use a knife or a piece of cutter. This is easier to control, and just cut it out and put it on the pumpkin. So let's get started. Okay, just start in the middle, push, do a little swirl, go back around and in, and that's it for frosting it. And so now we're gonna cut the little stem and push it in. Oh, cute little pumpkin. Okay, so piece of cutter. Okay, so we're gonna get 2 triangles out of the big triangle. And a smile. Now time to build. Here's the male. Eye number 1 and eye number 2. Aww. Ta-da! So cute, so simple. And here is our easy peasy jack-o'-lantern cupcake. Every kid will love it. On to cake number 4. We're doing a spiderweb cupcake. I'm really, again, excited to make this. I saw this tip on Pinterest for cookies and stuff like that, so I'm really excited to try this out for a cupcake topper. All it is, obviously the cupcake, the white frosting, but we're gonna do something fun. We're gonna use fondant. I got black fondant. I'm gonna roll that out, and I found this on clearance at Michael's, and they're just rubber stamps, and you can use the edible food coloring. Make sure you never use regular ink because that would be really gross. I got the white food coloring, so I'm gonna stamp that on that, and we'll see how this turns out. I'm really excited. And after we're done doing the stamped spider web part, we're gonna get a little spider ring. As I mentioned before, I try to keep everything edible on my cupcakes, but you know, for Halloween, what kid doesn't like spider rings? Same with the way I did the jack-o'-lantern. Start in the middle, swirl it around and go back up, bloop. And you have to do that. You have to do the bloop. Now the fondant. You don't need a whole lot because you're just making a little topper. Put that off to the side. Soften it up, soften, and flatten. Now it does not have to be fondant. You could flatten Tootsie Rolls. You could flatten any like taffy type candy if you want it to taste really good, because let's face it, fondant, not all that delicious. Okay, and now for the white ink. Again, you can use any sponge brush or paintbrush. Just make sure you did not use it on paint before, because that would be really gross getting on it. Not that you really want to eat this fondant. Okay, so just a little bit, kind of just brush, get it all over the place. That's what you want to do right there. Just kind of brush it on and see how it works. I'm so excited. I might cry if it doesn't work. Yay! It looks like a spider web. We're gonna cut it out. Like so. Now you have a super cute little cupcake topper. Usually I would use a paper towel for this. Flattened spider web. And last but not least, we're doing a witch hat surprise cupcake. This looked really, really fun. I made a green cupcake. So the lime green, slimy green creepy cupcake. You can find the chocolate sugar ice cream cones. I had a hard time finding these, but I found it at our local store. Hopefully you can find them. It said on Pinterest that you could use just an Oreo for the brim of the hat. Well, the Oreo just kind of like went up inside. It didn't have much of a brim at all. So we went with these. these little Debbie Rice Krispie chocolate treat thingies. So we're gonna put that on top. But I'm gonna go one step further. See, they didn't put anything inside, and that's boring. I mean, it's cute, but boring. So I went to the Dollar Tree, okay? And I found these cute little skulls and bones little candies. So it's gonna be the Witch Hat Surprise. These are gonna go inside the cone, and we're gonna put it on the little Rice Krispie treat brim thing. But in order to do that, in order to put it on that, we're gonna use green melting chocolate. Gonna stick it in, you know, and then we're gonna make it to where there's the ribbon or belt or ribbon or whatever it is that is on the witch's hat. And then before it dries, we're gonna stick a little mini M&M for the little buckle. I guess some have buckles. Hopefully it won't look too pilgrimy. But first, before we get started on decorating the cupcake, we're going to melt the green chocolate. Ready? Bippity boppity boo. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. First, oh, and they are conveniently individually packaged. What? Oh, look at all these are fun. There's little bones and skulls. We got the brim ready. And now to stick it in the chocolate like so. You want it to be good and covered. And quickly not throw it into the chocolate. Now, make sure it's all the way across. And then get one of the M&Ms. I'm gonna go with, nope, it's gonna blend in too well. Let's do orange. Where would be the good place for that? We'll put it right here in the center. Because it's Halloween. Okay, so there's that witch's hat. Just like the other ones. Start in the middle, swirl around, and back up. Ta-da! And at the top, up with the witch's hat. And our witch hat surprise cupcake. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you did, please comment down below and share with us what kind of tutorials that you would be interested in. If you did find this helpful, please click on the like button and also click on this little subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future tutorial videos. See you later.